Hi guys, say hello to Mr. Hamster and Mrs. Chicken.
Mr. Hamster and Mrs. Chicken. Hello.
Hello.
Not Budgies anymore.
No, please.
As we're going to show you in this video.
So, is he okay? He's flying. Hi guys, today we're going to turn our budgies into chickens. Because it's summer and we're going to open the window.
Yes. We have to start leaving the windows open. And the budgies are going to have to turn into chickens. Come on, Blue Budgie. It's time to turn you into a chicken or a hamster, unfortunately.
I think it's chickens.
Time to clip your wings.
Yeah, chickens, because chickens don't fly and like the
Hamster or a chicken.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you clipped his wings. Oh my god, if you wanted a hamster, why didn't you buy a hamster? Why did you buy a budgie? Which one should we do first?
Green.
Green budgie?
Good.
Are you ready for your wings to be clipped? For summer 2021?
The green is already talking to you.
Hey, do you think it's going to be like a chicken or a hamster?
A chicken, because it looks like a chicken, but it flies.
Yeah.
Chicken,
So, the plan is to clip 4 flight feathers, longest each.
Yeah.
So they will have some flying ability,
But not a lot.
but not a lot. This because we're going to leave the window open and the door, and we usually leave the cage doors open so they can come and go. And it's not worth the risk of them flying away. You know, getting out and getting confused because they're used to this room. If they get out, you know, the window's there. There's a risk. Oh, see? Oh, the window's open. There's a risk they can go out and that's it. They'll be gone, confused, flying away. And within a minute, if you don't know where they'll be up on the tree. Impossible to get back. Because they're not used to the outdoors. So, unfortunately, their wings need to be clipped now. You know what's coming. The scissors are there. You know what's coming.
Okay, do it.
Oh, shall I leave it?
Leave this one. I'll leave it.
We need to. Alright, let's do the blue one first.
Yeah. The green one needs to know what we're doing.
Okay! Rescue to the rescue! Green to the rescue!
Okay, come on.
Right then. What? Let me cook. What are you doing? I can't. Alright then, here we go. Right. How you clip the budgie wing? You got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna just clip 4. Yeah.
There are 4
That's
doors.
not much. I didn't clip much.
4 doors beside that. I wonder what is gonna happen to it.
I didn't clip much. I think I need to clip a little more. Yeah, that's 1 done. Oh, did you see it? I don't know if you saw it because it was a bit low down. So I've clipped 1 wing. Yeah, 5. So I still got these flight feathers and I'm not clipped very low down. So I'm going to clip the other side and then we'll see what flying ability it's got.
What? Oh, that's
Alright, don't move. So you've left a bit. I haven't clipped too far down. I've hardly clipped. So I'm not clipped much.
Okay.
It's probably going to have some flying ability.
Okay, fly.
Let's have a look. Oh! Dang it. Yeah, so that's 5 clipped. Not much. It's got some flying ability, but limited. Let's see if we can fly to the cage.
I just making my arm for the first time.
It's for your own good, Budgie. Whoa, it didn't make it.
Okay.
It needs some practice.
Get on my arm. Please, get on my arm.
Right.
It used to be.
Maybe I should have clipped just 4 for that one. Oh, it flew to me.
You're mine. I like this cookie. What are you trying
He's trying to fly into your arm.
Now I got both of you.
Okay, so the blue one's been clipped. 5. The green one, it's got some flying ability but limited. I think it'll improve slightly as it gets used. The green one, I'm gonna clip 4 because it's heavier. You know, it should be harder for it to fly, but it's got bigger wings, obviously. All right, come on. Yeah, you wanna hold?
It's mine. I like
All right, your turn now.
I love you.
It's your turn. Come on. You need to hold it first. He knows what's coming.
Oh, you. Budgie.
Come on, Green. It's your turn for a haircut. Come on. Green, Budgie, it's your turn for a haircut. Come on.
I think he's for food. He's coming for food. You just see, I told you he's coming for food. Okay.
Right then. I'm gonna have to grab it.
Quick.
Yeah.
Because it's going to
It's good. So I move the scissors out of the way now. He knew what was coming with the scissors.
This is hard.
You can't fly. You stay here now. You stay here, pigeon, Mr. Pigeon. Mr. Hamster.
Why do you call it Mr. Chicken? Why do you call it Blue Budgie Mr. Chicken? My name is Blue Budgie, Mr. Chicken.
Okay, Green's back.
Hi, Mr. Chicken.
I'm gonna have to just grab it now. Distract. Grab. I had to do that. It was gonna be impossible. Alright then. It's your time for a haircut. Okay, 4 flight feathers. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, he's taking it quite easily. So that's 4 done, 1 wing.
He's much more better than the Blue Budgie because
Yeah, he's not making a racket.
like
Wait. No, actually, blue was. He made a racket, but he didn't move. Right, quickly do 4.
Too late.
Done. There.
Come on, I like Blue Budgie.
Clicked. I know you. You're not very happy now. You're not happy.
He's
Budgies.
angry. He's angry.
Angry bird.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
he's sad. Ooh. Ooh. He can't fly now. Be careful, you don't step on. Don't step on the budgie. What? You're a chicken now?
Come on.
We got a hamster.
No, that's Mr. Chicken. That's a hamster.
Right, that's a hamster. That's the hamster.
No, that's the chicken.
Oh, he wants.
No, he's going.
Oh, you got him. Put your hand there then. So we got a hamster. Is that the hamster?
No, that's the chicken.
So that's the chicken.
Oh, you!
So be careful, don't step.
No,
Hey, chicken! Mr. Chicken! Yeah, look, he's even acting like a chicken now.
come on.
Let's see if he can fly to the cage.
How am I holding this budgie like this?
What?
I never hold a budgie like this. Oh,
Is he gone?
this is chicken.
Chicken? No, that's the hamster.
This.
Which one's the hamster?
This is the chicken.
Right, that's the chicken. Hamster! Why am I calling you chicken? You're a hamster. Come on, let's get you a hamster wheel. Oh, you can't fly. I only clipped 4 on this one. Yeah, because it's heavier. So that one's lighter by about 6 grams. Heavier.
We wanted to get one we didn't want to have to laugh with. This is not the
See,
one.
you wanted hamster. You got one now.
I wanted the chicken.
And you wanted a chicken.
I like a chicken more.
And in a few months' time, there'll be budgies again.
And then I got another chicken. I
Yeah.
really like chicken. No, I like
Oh my God, you clipped the wings. Oh my God, you wanted a hamster. Why did you buy a hamster? Oh my God, if you wanted a chicken, why did you buy a chicken?
We're gonna buy chicken.
Don't worry, they'll grow back.
Don't worry, everybody.
The wings will grow back.
Like last time.
It takes about 4 months for total recovery.
We're trying to come with me.
Come on. Oh. Come here.
Trying to come with me.
There. Liza with a pet hamster and chicken. You see? Are you happy you got your pets? Where's he gone?
Now you. Come on. They're used to me now.
They got no choice now. They can't fly.
They're used to me.
Yeah, because you got the wings off.
You're mine.
Yeah, you're Eliza's now.
He didn't go with you anymore for some reason. Oh yeah.
Oh, he will fly to me if I put my hand there.
No,
Don't put it in there.
No, okay, do it next.
No, don't put it in there. Let him fly. Move back a bit.
Which Budgie?
Obviously, they were flying to my... Before I clipped the wings. But now, we can leave the windows open, wide open. Yeah. Yeah. There's no risk of accidentally flying out. Because kids, they will leave. The door's not a problem.
The door's not a problem.
They have occasionally flown out, but then got confused and come back in. Or we heard them tweeting loudly around there, so they don't go far.
Dad, yesterday the green boy was trying to open the door, but he didn't come out.
Yeah.
He wasn't strong.
They're used to this room, so normally they would not fly out of the room, but if you leave the door open and the window open, it only takes one lapse and they'll be out, they'll be confused, fly there, fly there. Before you know it, they've disappeared. You know? It's not worth the risk. That's why we clip the wings as soon as we start leaving the window, as soon as it's hot. What's temperature now? It's not even midday. 23 degrees and you're going to get to at least
100 degrees.
Well, at least 26 in this room. It's too hot. Anyway, that's how you clip your buddies' wings before summer. And now they can play with Eliza.
Is that going? But the blue budgies want to go on. Oh.
Take it if you want.
Okay.
Then now they're going to be extra. They're going to be even more attached to me now than normal because they're scared a little bit. Look at our wings. We need the protection. Look, they're straps there on my shoulder.
Get on me, get on me. Green budgie, remember when you used
Can't see where I'm looking at now.
You remember when the green budgie...
Where are you going?
Remember when the green budgie used to like my hair?
Yeah, they are.
Come on me.
So they're even more attached to me now. Because they want to be protected. They feel safe on my shoulder now that they can't fly much.
Why can I comb my arm?
I would have thought the green one could fly more than it can. Maybe... Oh, what are you doing?
Not here. Then the last time when you... Go back.
You didn't get very far.
I got your budgie. I got your budgie.
You didn't get far, green. Was it the hamster? Yeah, that's the hamster.
Yeah, just the
Hamster didn't get very far. We should, instead of calling blue and green, we should call them hamster and chicken.
chicken and hamster.
So this is Mr. Hamster.
Mr. Hamster and Mr. Chicken's on your arm. Wait, they match your clothes. They match. The blue matches your clothes and my clothes. Blue.
And this is the chicken, Mrs. Chicken and Mr. Hamster.